So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from any Android phone in Galaxy A06 device. So guys, by the way, this one is my Redmi 13C device and this one is a Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So I want to transfer data from this device to this device. So all you guys have to do is first of all go to Play Store and download the application called Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. So after installing it, just open the application guys and this type of interface you have. So just click to Let's Go and we are going to do wireless, so click on wireless. Okay, now all we guys have to do, just go to Samsung switch option here, continue, allow the permission guys. Now this one is the receive data, so click on receive data here and tap to Galaxy or Android. Now click wireless and just wait for the connection. So here I have the pairing option, so just click accept, and as you see that the Redmi 13C is now connected to A06 device. Now we have the option that what type of the files we want. So I want custom file, like I am selecting other files. So just click custom and then next. Now as you see we have these options. I am just selecting the images right now. So just click images and then click transfer. So as you guys see that the data is now start transferring and all the data is now transferred within a second. So guys, that's how we can transfer the data from any Android device to Samsung Galaxy A06 device. And also guys, these pictures and images are now saved to my gallery. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.